Monday, September 2nd. Just got back. Got me a little tiny paint roller there. Got my paint here. Got this on sale a few years ago, probably about 6-7 years ago, for $1. Black hammered finish. It's a smooth finish though. It's not the hammered finish, but it was $1. So I'm getting ready. I got my thing all prepped here, my cage for my truck. I wasn't really planning on, I wanted to paint it, and then I got into it. I started chipping the rust off, and then treated the rust, and then chipped some more, sanded some. Well, 2 days later, I'm almost ready to paint. Well, I am ready to paint it, except now it's going to rain again. Need more rain. And there it is right there. They just said on the news it's going to rain in about a half an hour for about another hour. So got it all dried off, got it all sanded up, smoothed off. Got my little die grinder tip to get in all the corners, chipped everything out. Maybe I could throw a piece of plastic over it. See, I don't want all this to get wet in here again. Takes a while to dry it out. But yeah, it's gonna be raining like any second now. Yeah, see that little lines coming right in there. This is where you don't want to be. Get all my electrical cords and stuff out of here. Bring my grinder in. But yeah, it's going to be like raining in about 2 or 3 seconds, I think. Stand here with the door open. Yeah, I got to pull my back glass out. I got these little holes down in the bottom corners. I gotta patch those up, I guess. And oh yeah, and then the roof hole. It's got a roof hole up there, and another one on the other side. But yeah, I was just hoping to get my cage painted. Don't look like it's gonna happen. My plan was spoiled. Bring all the stuff back in. What do you think, Early? No, we're not going out there. You're not going out there. No.